I've been a postdoc for 5.5 years, and I will be leaving to start a faculty position of my own.
And I'm a grad student in the lab. I'm finishing my 5th year, and I've been in the Murphy lab for about 4 years. I'm also leaving to start a postdoc at Janssen Pharmaceuticals. Wistar is great because of the scientists that are here and the opportunities that you get to collaborate with people in different fields.
It's not just doing the science, it's also mentoring the people in the lab in terms of teaching them and getting them excited about the science.
I've been able to gain some really good technical skill and expertise. My mother passed away from colon cancer when I was 14 years old. I just started my freshman year. And I didn't really have an appreciation for science, nor did I really think that I was going to do science for my life. You know, this wasn't like my life's goal. But then once I got to undergrad and I started learning more about biology, this question stuck in my head of like, well, how can something so tiny, you know, like something that I can't even see, have such a devastating outcome?
Every patient's cancer is different, and so I really became more fascinated by sort of the complexity of cancer, and which is why I've really devoted now the majority of my career, and I will plan to devote my career on this new concept of personalized medicine for cancer patients in order to really tailor therapies for certain individuals based upon these genetic differences that we see. I feel that the Wistar Institute is a very special place, and it's a unique place. There are not many places like the Wistar Institute in the United States, not only bringing some of the world's greatest scientists, but also, you know, raising funding to get the state-of-the-art equipment that we need, the core facilities that we need, the infrastructure that we need in order for the trainees to be so successful. And more importantly, I think it's a great stepping stone for the next chapter of your career, because it allows you to develop so many different skills that you can then take with you.
You know, you ask a simple question and figure out what are the experiments that can kind of help me answer that question effectively. We're studying a complex system, right? And so being able to break that down into simple bite-sized pieces is really important, so that at the end of the day, when you have this nice story, it's really the culmination of simple experiments that got you that answer.